Drop it. Yeah.
So what's going on, guys? I'm back in another video, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Huawei Watch 2. So I'm not good at unboxing, so just don't mind that, and let's unbox this smartwatch. So I've opened this package before, and let's see the back. And there's nothing much. It runs Android, Wear OS by Google, and this is a Chinese brand Huawei. I like the design, and this box looks so clean. The model name is Huawei Watch 2. So it comes in 3 variants. One is classic, one is sports, and one is sports with cellular. So the classic watch is much more like Supreme, and the strap is of leather, whereas this watch has a cheaper looking strap which is made up of plastic or something like that. So it has this ceramic bezel which is so good. The screen is AMOLED, so it looks so good. So we have a watch, this watch, let's keep it aside, and one charger, one adapter, and the manual and stuff. So just let's leave that, and let's set this watch up. So guys, if you want this watch, then the link is in the description. Go check it out, and let's start the video. Let's get this bad boy started. Okay, so the first step is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store and download the Wear OS app, the Wear OS by Google Watch. You have to download this, and then when it is downloaded, you would be headed to the Huawei Watch to set up, and here you have to add a new watch, then agree the terms and condition, make Wear OS better. So it would give you diagnostics of your watch, and then you have to turn your Bluetooth. The steps are written in the page itself. So first you have to turn on your Bluetooth, and then you have to connect to the watch through Bluetooth, and it would take some time. It would connect to your watch, and let's wait. Yeah, so we have received the pairing code. We have to pair it, and then it would show connected, and till that time the watch will get ready, and it would start to work. So we'll wait and watch. So the watch is set up, and so I'll just tell you some specification of this watch. This watch has heart rate sensor at the back, which is good, and it has a battery life of 24 to 30 hours, which is not that great, but it's fine. I don't mind that. So you can change all the faces of this watch. So I'm new to this watch, so I don't know much. So we can change the data, we can change the style, like I don't want this color, so I can get it in blue, we can get it in green. So this is one thing, and then you can change the face by clicking on add more watch faces, or you can do it directly by your phone if you find it difficult to do it from here. So there are hell lot of faces which you can apply, and this watch is nice. People have said that the plastic is not that good, the strap is not that good, but I don't find that any problem. So we can change this strap. If you guys want to change your strap, you can change this. change it. So we have Play Store, alarm, battery, and we can make contacts. We can call people from this, and it is basically your phone in your wrist. So I like this watch a lot. So this bad boy has heart rate monitor, barometer, and it runs on Android Wear 2.0, and it has 4 GB internal space and 1 GB of RAM. This has inbuilt GPS and NFC. So if you are out of India, or if you live outside India, then it is very useful, as you have NFC and you can just one tap and do the payments. And above all that, it is one IP68. So it is waterproof, but don't take it more than 5 feet, because who wants to get into a loss. So this is it for the video, and hope you enjoyed it. The link to buy this watch is in the description. So if you guys want to buy this watch, go to the description and tell me if you want to know more about this watch. I'll make another review video. And the price of this watch in India currently is 39,000, the cellular version. This is for 32,000 because this is not cellular, and the classic one is bit expensive, which is 42,000. So if you are not an Apple fan, then you can buy this watch.